reasons to doubt.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video we are going to retrieve the comments from database. So let's get started. Okay, so guys, first of all we will add the comment of okay guys, sorry for that. So I will say here reading from db. I will say reading from db, and guys, then what we will do is that we will just say here down db. Okay, db dot collection, and we have to specify the collection name. In our case the collection is comments, so we'll say comments. And then guys, what we have to say is that we have to say on snapshot. Okay guys, and then we have to say snap, or you can say snapshot, but I am using the short form here, snap. And then guys, we have to say let or const. I will go with const changes. I will say here const changes, and then snap dot doc. I have to say doc. You have to say guys doc changes, and then apply a full stop. Sorry guys, apply a full stop here. And then guys, what we have to do is that we have to say changes dot for each. We have to say changes dot for each, and then you can keep it as element. I will say change. Okay, and here I will say if, okay, if change dot type equal to add dead. Okay, if the type is equal to added, then what we have to do is that we have to say log, and then here change dot doc, okay, dot data. And okay, data is a function. So after this I will just open this with live server, and we'll check in our console that it is coming or not, the objects. Okay, the data is coming or not. So here the objects are coming guys, as you can see. So here is great comment by Rohit Sharma, and the person comment, okay, cool comment. And here we will see the person name cooler. Okay, sorry guys, we will say here cooler, and in the description down below we will say here hi. Okay, person name cooler is saying hi, and without refreshing the page, as you can see, we are getting this guys. And okay, so we will display it to the user, okay, on the our HTML page. So guys, can you remember that we have created this div for retrieving the comments? So here we will retrieve the comments. First what we will do is that we will take the reference of the div. I will say cons, and here I will say div. Okay, div equal to I will say document document dot query selector. So document dot query selector, and then in between I will pass hash. No, it's dot cont, so it's class called cont. And then what we have to do is that guys, we have to say render list. We have to make this function called render list, and guys like this. And then guys, what we have to say is that in render list, first we have to pass in here doc. So guys, after passing in doc, we have to say here where. So we have to create a div. So we will say main underscore div equal to document. We have to say document dot, we have to say create element, and then in here we have to pass our div. So sorry guys, we have to just say div, and then we will just replicate this variables for 2-3 times, because we want for some other stuff also. So we will say here card body, because in this we will add the card body div. So after that we have to say name. Okay, name which is in h5, I think. Okay, yes, it is in h5. And then guys, here we have to say comment, which is paragraph. So comment here p. Okay guys, after that what we have to say is that we have to say main div dot set attribute, and then in between guys what we have to say is that we have to say class, and then here we have to say uh, card and margin top 3 pixels or 3%, what it is in bootstrap. So I will just replicate this 2-3 times because we want to set different attributes for different things. So then guys, we will say card body, and the card body class is what, the card body class is card body. So we will say here uh, card hyphen body. And then guys, what we have to do is that after that we have the name. So we will say here name, and this class would be card title. Okay, you will say card title. And guys, after that we have the class called card text for our comment, the card text. And after that guys, we have to say here comment. Okay, and guys, after that what we have to say is that we have to say div dot append child, and then what we have to pass is that we have to pass main div guys. So after saving this, we'll wait for some time. What's happening guys? Okay, sorry guys, what we have done is that we have not passed in that that render list here. So you have to say render list, and in this we have to pass uh, change change, sorry guys, you have to say here change dot talk. Okay guys, so after passing this, still it is not visible because we have to set the text content. Okay, and then we have to open the divs. So what we have to say is that we have to say we have to say card body dot append child, and what we have to pass in is that, sorry guys, so what we have to pass in is that we have to pass name and content in it. So we will pass name and content in this card body. So we will say comment, sorry guys, content not comment. And then in main div, so here in main div we have to pass in this card body. So card body, and after that guys, we have to set the text content. So here we will say name dot text content is equal to uh, doc dot data. Okay, and then dot name guys. And then on next line what we have to say is that we have to say here uh, comment, and we have to pass in here comment guys. That's all, that's it. And as you can see guys, our comments are retrieving from Firestore. So this was our last video in this series guys. So like, share and subscribe, and I think from next series I will just start I think giving the source code immediately guys, as possible as soon. So guys, subscribe to my channel. There will be next series in next 7 days. So bye guys.
Give me reasons to doubt.